Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to use OneNote, the basics and kind of how you navigate and insert things into OneNote. So when you open it, over here you should have it open to your Project Lead the Way binder. And so that's the title of your binder. You can also create binders of your own um, titles and things like that, but you obviously want to be in the Project Lead the Way one for this class. And then you should see a screen that has like a welcome screen maybe, and then you have a collaboration space, a content library, and then since I'm the teacher, I have all of you, but you should just see your name here, and so you can click on your name, and that's how you'll get to your specific OneNote journal. So just like in an actual binder, you have tabs here, and so I've created these tabs for you. So we have identity, movement, power, pre-lab questions, protection, class notes, communication, conclusion questions, graphic organizers, homeostasis, rubrics, and career journals. So you can move these around by just clicking and dragging them into whatever order you would like. And so if it were me, I would probably put them in order of units. So it's identity, communication, movement, power, and homeostasis. Put this here, and then movement, power, protection, homeostasis, and then however you would like these. Your rubrics are obviously going to be where I'm going to put rubrics for grading your activities. And so within, just like within a real binder, you can click in a specific tab and add pages to that. And so you do that by clicking here on add page. So there was already a page here, so I'm going to delete that page. You just right click and delete. And this is my new page. And for each activity or whatever I assign, this is where you can title the page. So activity, whatever activity it specifically is. And then you can just keep adding pages. So for each activity, and then putting everything on this page. So there's a lot of different ways you can add content to these pages. You can simply type information. My name is Chelsea. And the nice thing too is you can drag it around anywhere on the page that you would like. You can actually draw on things. So if you click here and go to draw, you can draw with a marker, change the colors if you wanted to say circle something or draw an arrow to point something out. You can also you can also erase that. I should have mentioned that. You can also insert a lot of different things. So if you wanted to make a table, you would insert a table here. You can make it as big as you would like. And then you obviously want to make sure you go back to the text mode when you do that so that you can alter the numbers and things in there. So you can type within each of those. So 1.235, da, da, da. You can type within each of the boxes. I'm not typing anything, just gibberish. Let's see, what else can you insert? You can insert a picture. So when I have you insert pictures into things, that's a very easy one to do. So we're just going to pick a screenshot that I've used. And you can insert that into the table, obviously. But you can also take it outside of that box and change the size of it, insert it wherever you would like, which is nice. So you can format it kind of how you would like to. You can also insert file attachments. So if you've made something outside of OneNote, you can insert that. So if I go to this, and I'm just going to insert the standards because that's an easy one that I have. When you insert that document, then I can come in and click on the preview and see what you've inserted, which is really nice. And another nice thing is that within this, if you created this for your activity, you can click on here and you can create a new sub page, which would be under this page. And you can title it something else. So, version one, whatever. And all of these pages are then just going to show up under your identity tab, which is really nice. And you can insert pages into any of these and insert anything that you need into the page. And then when you go to rubrics, this is where you'll be able to see where I actually insert rubrics and go ahead and that's where you can see if I've graded things or whatnot. And so really those are the basics. There's not a ton more that you need to know about it. You just need to be able to title it the activity that we're working on and just insert all of those components that I expect you to have there and make sure that it's just kind of organized. And it's kind of up to you to figure out how you want to organize it, but it is really handy for me to be able to go in and grade it then. And so I think that's it. So hopefully you guys like this and it'll work well for you.